Understanding Idealized Vision, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. In this video, we'll explore the meaning and use of the phrase, idealized vision. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding these phrases can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. Idealized vision is a phrase composed of two words, idealized and vision. Let's break them down. Idealized refers to something being presented in a perfect or ideal form, often ignoring any negative aspects. It comes from the word ideal, which means a perfect standard or model. Vision refers to the ability to see, but in a figurative sense, it means the way someone thinks about or views something, often involving imagination or planning for the future. When combined, idealized vision means a view or concept of something in its perfect form, usually more perfect than in reality. To understand how to use idealized vision in sentences, let's look at some examples. 1. The architect's idealized vision for the city included green spaces and futuristic buildings. Here, it implies a perfect or utopian plan that the architect imagines for the city. 2. Her idealized vision of life abroad clashed with the reality of daily struggles. This shows a contrast between a perfect imagined life and the actual, perhaps less perfect, experience. 3. The novel presents an idealized vision of the past, ignoring the historical challenges. In this case, it suggests a romanticized or overly positive portrayal of the past. Understanding the concept of an idealized vision is important because it helps in critical thinking and analysis, especially in media, literature, or historical interpretations. It encourages awareness of the difference between reality and perfection, which is crucial in setting realistic expectations in various aspects of life. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, idealized vision. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about understanding the ideas and concepts behind them. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in our next video.